How to prevent blight spot on tomatoes. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified of all upcoming videos. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a mixture, and what you need is baking soda right here. You need baking soda. You need a sprayer like this or any sprayer, and you need a spoon to measure it, and you need 1 gallon water. So we fill in our 1 gallon water already. So let's do this. So we're gonna measure. Just are not are very hot. You use one tablespoon of baking soda to a gallon of water. If the temperature of where you are is not too hot, like if it's less than 80 degrees, then you can use 2 tablespoons of baking soda to a gallon of water. But make sure you test it first in the area or your or your tomatoes where you're gonna do it. You want to test it first and make sure that you don't get any major reaction before you continue. So usually what I do is I test it in a couple of plants or just one plant, wait 24 to 48 hours, and then start using it in the garden, so that way I don't burn all my plants with it. So we're gonna put 1 cup of baking soda into our container right here. Okay, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of baking soda into a gallon of water. Into a gallon water. I have a gallon water right there already. So what I'm gonna do is cover it and then shake it a little bit. And then you want to shake it a little bit, make sure that it's completely mixed before you start spraying. So I've been planning to do this for a couple of weeks now. I keep saying I'm gonna do it, and I haven't been able to do it. As you can see, the leaf spot started already. You want to do this before it starts, and so the leaf spot started already. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to suppress it, even though it might not kill it or get rid of it, but it's gonna suppress it so that it doesn't take over the whole plant. But you want to do this before it starts, so that way it suppresses the spread of any spores or any leaf spot that comes up. So usually when it rains or when there's water on the leaves, it easily attracts those fungal diseases and stuff like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start spraying, and you want to spray the top and the bottom of the leaf so that covers everything. And the reason for that is that the baking soda reduces the pH of the leaves, and that suppresses the it doesn't provide a good environment for the spores and for the fungal bacteria and other stuff to grow on the leaves. So you want to spray it on the leaves like that. You want to spray both top and bottom. I'll spray the top now. Then you want to flip it over and spray the bottom of the leaves. You just want to try to cover all the bottom of the leaves, and you want to cover all the leaves. So like I said, if you haven't done this before, just make sure you try it on 1 or 2 tomato plants first and see how the reaction that you get, because some plants and some varieties react differently to baking soda, and also the temperature outside also varies. So make sure that if you're doing it where the temperature is below 80, you can use 2 tablespoons of baking soda to a gallon of water. But if the temperature is above 80 or 85, you want to use like 1 tablespoon to a gallon of water. And you want to do this regularly, like every time it rains or after a couple of days or a week. You want to do it because whenever it rains, that's when they really come out and they try to feast on the tomatoes. So I say minimum of once a week you want to do this, and just water the plants, the leaves, and cover everything underneath. So this is it after 48 hours of spraying the baking soda. There's no noticeable difference on the leaves or the tomato plant itself. So the baking soda solution should be fine applying it to my tomatoes. The only difference that is here is that you have more blight spot noticeable for the ones that already had it in the system or in their leaves. They have more blight spot on them. But what I'm gonna do is what you just need to do, I need to get my scissors, but what you just need to do is go around. If you see them like this, you just want to break it off. And these, you don't want to add it to your compost pile or add it to your garden. You want to try to dispose of it so that way it doesn't spread into the garden. So we're just gonna put that over there for now. But you want to take off those that are affected and just get rid of it, especially at the bottom of so that it doesn't spread to the rest of the tomatoes. So like these ones over here, once it starts like this, the tomato is gonna have it. The whole tomato is gonna have it. So we're just gonna try to suppress it with this baking soda as often as we can. Like I said earlier, when there's heavy rain, after every heavy rain, you want to spray it, because after heavy rain, it washes everything on the spores. Will have a field there on your tomatoes if you don't spray it after that. So that is it for today. I hope you like the video. Let me know in the comments below if you have this issue with your tomatoes, and also let me know if you have another solution, another way of preventing this type of disease from your tomatoes. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching and happy growing, everybody.